dial tones, no notes. I reach you through photos as if rituals with candles, as I stare at the mantle, replaying the same things in no sane way. I owned by the memories of us. I'm sold by remembering as much. I hold still the phone, even though it only drones on in dial tones, no notes. Your aura's in audio, and the static swallows me whole as I stare at the mantle, replaying that there's no safe from what God takes. I float with your echoes and dust, and I hope it moves where you've gone. I hold still the phone, even though it only drones on in dial tones, no notes. I reach you through photos as if rituals in candles, as I stare at the mantle, replaying the same things in no sane way. I'm owned by the memories of us, and I'm sold by remembering as much. And I hold still the phone, even though it only drones on in dial tones.